There are three main shipping methods, and in this video we will look at Small Parcel Delivery, SPD. We will show you how to create an inbound shipment with more than one SKU per box. First, you have to select the item you want to get into the warehouse. After that, you must select Create Inbound Shipment. You will see a window for filling an order with just a few steps. Step 1. In this step, we fill in the information about the items to be shipped. In the Inbound Shipment Name field, you can specify an alternate name for your order. This field is optional because we automatically generate the order number. Use it to visually separate orders. The next field is to select the location of the warehouse to which you are sending the items. After selecting a warehouse location, you will see the address and other contact details of the warehouse on the right side. Supplier order number and date fields. In these fields you can specify your supplier's order number and the date of that order. Below you can see a table with the items you selected in Manage Inventory. In this table you specify the quantity of items to be delivered to the warehouse. You can add a comment to item. This comment will be seen by the warehouse employee who will receive your item. Select Additional Services as needed. The Additional Services field is a request to the warehouse to perform work and may be charged at a separate rate. So check with the warehouse support team to see if they charge extra money for these services. We have a separate video dedicated to additional services. The link is in the description. Click the Save and Continue button, and you move on to Step 2. In this step, you add information about the package, shipper, and tracking numbers belonging to this shipment. In the Shipping Method field for shipping items by box, you must select Small Parcel Delivery, SPD. In the drop-down box for Shipping Carrier, select the shipping service that transports your items. In the Packing Type field, you select how the product is packed. If there are several different items in the box, you must select more than one SKU per box. In the How Many Boxes field, specify how many total boxes you expect. In the Box Number cells, specify how many items should be in each of the boxes. Fill in weight, length, width, and height for the boxes you are expecting. Click the Save and Continue button. Generate labels for the boxes. To do this, you must enter the range of boxes for which you are generating labels. From these labels, it is easy for the warehouse to identify your items. Ask your shipper to put these labels on the boxes. And add box tracking numbers. That way you will keep all the shipping information in one place, and it will improve identification upon receipt. After filling in all the fields, don't forget to click the Document Completed button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.